we're going to talk about intercepts. So let's say we have a line. Let's draw a line. See if I can draw it good. Okay, so there's a line. Remember, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. And say I just have this graph that I'm given and they say, hey, what are the intercepts? Well, what they mean by that, there's an x, what we call an x-intercept. And the x-intercept is going to be right where the line crosses the x-axis. So it looks like it's right there. So it looks like the x-axis or the x-intercept is negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 5, 0. Okay? It's going to be the place where your line is crossing the x-axis. Okay? So that's what the x-intercept is. And it has a y value of 0 because it's on the x-axis. Okay, and then the other thing you can do is find the y-intercept. And you'll never, y-intercept. And you'll never guess what the y-intercept is. It's where it crosses the y-axis. So it's right here in this case. And you can find the coordinates for that point. It's going to be 0, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So the big thing to note on this, when it's the x-intercept, y equals 0. When it's the y-intercept, x equals 0. So that's another little thing to put on the note card. If you're trying to find the x-intercept, then y equals 0. If they give you the graph, you can just, locate it on the graph and then find the ordered pair that matches with that point. And then with the y-intercept, you're letting x equals 0. It's going to be on the x-axis if they give you a picture. Okay, so here I think they give us a picture. Find the x and y intercepts on the graph. So just like what we were doing a minute ago. So it looks like the x-intercept is right here. So the x-intercept, I don't always write out intercept, I just put int sometimes. So the x-intercept is going to be 3, 0. So it's 3 on the x-axis and then 0 for the y value. Okay, the y-intercept. See if we can find that one. Right there. So it's going to be the point 0, 2. And then that's our answer. All right. Okay, this time they didn't give us a picture. They gave us an equation. And they still want us to find the intercepts. But we can do that with what we were talking about. So to find the x-intercept, let y equals 0. Okay, so I'm going to take my equation, 3x plus y equals 12. And I'm going to put in 0 for y. And this allows me to find what we call the x-intercept. So that's going to be 3x equals 12 divided by 3. So I get x equals 4. So the x-intercept is going to be 4, 0. All right. Now we have to find the y-intercept. So the y-intercept, well, we're going to let x equal 0. So it's the old switcheroo. If you're trying to find the x-intercept, you let y equal 0. If you're trying to find the y-intercept, you let x equal 0. So you get 3, same equation, 3x plus y equals 12. But this time we're going to put a 0 in for x. And 3 times 0 is just 0, so you get y equals 12. So the y-intercept is going to be 0, 12. And that's how you find the x and y intercepts if you're given an equation. And I think that's it.